Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals in the colorful balls. Are you ready, kids? Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. They are colorful balls. The first animal is a rabbit.
Rabbit.
This is a rabbit. The next one is a lion. This is a lion.
Lion.
The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep.
Sheep.
The next animal is a hippopotamus. Hippo eats the Orbeez balls. This is a hippo.
Hippo.
The next one is a lioness. This is a lioness.
Lioness.
The next animal is a leopard. This is a leopard.
Leopard.
The next one is a horse. This is a